What's going on, everyone? How are you? This is just a quick update on that Alumacraft V14. I took down the end reveal because it retroactively violated YouTube policies. I had to take down quite a few videos that did that. This is some old footage I got from a while ago that I just haven't had a time to push out. But right now, because it's so hot and I can only selectively work on this other boat, I haven't had a whole lot of time to edit stuff for the V14. Just the way things have been in the summer, the heat has crunched down, and this whole COVID thing has screwed everybody. So not just me, but really has forced me to delegate my time differently, especially since online school has started. Content's pushing out a little slow, but we're gonna get it back in a rhythm, don't worry. But check this video out in the meanwhile. Come on! You had it! So I'm here today with Ben,
what's up, guys?
the OG tiny boater, and his yak killer. We stopped saying that because apparently a lot of people who like tiny boats also like yaks. That is what it is.
I like yaks.
He's super
But I'm a
diehard fanboy of yaks.
diehard fanboy.
I had to change his mind.
My boat over here.
I was like, tiny boats are better, changed my mind. So these held up. For any of you who are wondering, Ben's put them through some rigorous testing. And aside from like days where there are serious waves from all these giant boats, they do really, really well in the shallows and in the tulies, in areas where you just really need to stay pinned. I think they'll be exceptionally useful during the spawn. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Right?
Oh yeah.
Super pain trying to keep your motor, unless you got like an Ultra or something. But yeah, but like you can just stay completely silent right on the bed or right off the bed and throw. I love these on the strip. You know what I'm talking about? That little spot. We gotta take this boat to the strip. To the strip.
I'm down.
So we're gonna change this out. It's clearly had its done. It's clearly had problems. It's cracking. These are hollow. This one I think was already a little messed up. I think I cut the other one too short, the brand new one. So I gave him this one. We're gonna give him another one real quick. It is also really cold.
Yeah. For Havasu.
Like all of a sudden it just like went from like really, really nice to cold.
Split.
Yeah.
But it still
So,
held very well.
We could have got solid spikes. These are garden tree spikes, by the way. Garden tree spikes or garden tree stakes. These are 3/4 inch garden tree stakes. I don't think I ever covered that. Get them. I have a link for them on my store, but they're kind of hard to find on Amazon. So I would Google it. I think I found maybe even these on eBay. You can find these on eBay. Eco stake. What do you want? We gotta have them relatively the same length. At the same length as the other one? Okay. All right, we'll leave it right there. All right. Screw. That's all it's holding it. That's all it needs to hold it. It's actually got a lot of tension through the tubing. Done. Ben took 3 months just to have 3 minutes of work. 3 months.
Still worth it.
3.
A lot of the bass boat guys are impressed.
Because they paid $3 grand for their bullshit.
Yeah.
Quick walkthrough here. Because we never actually did a walkthrough of this boat, which Ben has kept in actually really good shape. I'm impressed. So we gave some regular haulers. I mean, these are just drop-in add-ons. You ever use this yet?
No.
Oh, okay, sweet.
I have
You ever check back here for any leaks?
Yes, I do.
There's no leaks?
No.
This is a boss hull, dude. I tell you, the Alumacrafts and the Smokercrafts and the Lund, it's these hulls, those specifically, no leaks.
Yeah.
But yeah, we ran his gassing in here, ran the associated looming through there. And we got this. There's these kind of these like Yeti style like fasteners. Got them on the rod locker too, because there was just no good section the way we made the lockers to have we kind of made it one single solitary wall, and that's one big foam wall. What's that? Hey, your beating stick?
No, it holds this up when I'm charging.
Oh, okay.
Or this.
The rod locker, I would have designed it with less holes. Like clearly, you know, I had somebody else was kind of influencing the design. There's no way you're gonna stick 11 rods in this thing. This is comfortable for maybe 6-7 rods, right?
Yeah.
We got about 6 in here. Covered the panel. We gotta do some other things. What happened? Did you take out the holder?
Yeah.
You took it out?
It was
just jamming stuff up?
Yeah.
So it's good. So they sit in there just fine?
They just sit in there, yeah.
Okay. If you want to support this out later, remember we just did that on a fly. We never even really finished this locker.
But I kind of like stack them. So I put one down and then stack.
Does it work better that way?
It works.
Sometimes less is
With
more.
spinning rods, like
That's all you have though, right? Yeah. The traditional lockers really aren't made for spinning rods. They're kind of. Sometimes a tubeless locker is better for spinning. If you just have all spinning.
You know, I'm like limited.
Yeah. Open that up. That's the well. Actually works really well. We have a pump hidden underneath here. The recircs. And if you want to, you can just run a flow through. The overflow hole is right there. It drains right out the side of the bar. Actually, how stable a boat is, that's a pretty big live well. And there is virtually no tip. We filled it up one day on the day.
I've had this full and it doesn't lean at all.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
With 2 guys on here.
How's that all going? Good?
All good.
All good and got sweet. It also looks pretty clean in there, huh?
Yeah.
We did the carbon wrap for that. The only one I ever did. I won't do another carbon wrap, it's a pain in the ass. What was that?
I don't know, what was it?
I don't know. Let's open it up again. Alright, sweet. So these are holding up. And so no rust on the standard ones.
No.
With the dry hatch slip. Is this stay bone dry?
Yeah. This is like tools. I put jackets in here.
Yeah, I bought this thing so you could put tackle in here. Stop.
Well,
This
I
is
put tackle in this, bud. Right here. See? I got tackle in there.
There's nothing in there. You got one lure?
I don't like to leave my boat loaded up.
Alright. Okay. Just hassling. Alright. And this was another dry stow. We kind of really, I don't know if you can tell, we stuck an obscene amount of, can you pop those up again? We stuck an obscene amount of stow. This is not a very big boat at all. It's actually pretty small. And I have pretty much just as much stowage in this boat as I had on my Smokercraft. Like literally. I mean, I have a bigger rod locker and a little bit more of a guest stow, but we have an obscene amount of stowage here. And to top it off, oh crap. Did you get this thing? Did this thing loosen up or pack in a little bit?
It did.
Ugh. You're supposed to screw that down. Can you get it up? Oh man, I couldn't do it right now. It was really hard to do.
I haven't cleaned that out.
What's packing it? Is it the wire?
It's the wire. Right here. Yeah.
Okay. So let's try that again. Sweet. We never showed you this part.
It's a little
And it actually never cleaned it up. I never went in there with a wire brush and got the rest of that residual foam out, because that's like overflow foam. Packed it in. Yeah, dude, we never cleaned it.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta clean that.
Where's all Mike's money go?
Where's all Mike's money go into use? I don't know. Anyways, I really like this. It's actually pretty spacious. Over here we have, this is all really solid, by the way. This is all foamed in. It's like that side, no, we couldn't do that side, but this side is full of friggin' foam. It's like hard as a rock. That over there's a styrofoam panel in there, but it's not drenched in the foam like the other one.
I'll throw jackets in here.
You'll throw jackets in there?
Yeah.
It's pretty spacious. You can stick quite a bit of stuff in here. Even if you want to stick a front battery in here, you could. You can stick whatever you wanted. Yeah. But I really like this when we paneled that off and we held that in. Why are these wires there? I gotta loom that. I gotta get a loom for that. We'll fix that. I don't know why. I think I forgot about this hatch when I was final checking it.
Yeah. Well, you don't even know it's a hatch until you open it.
Yeah. But I mean, that's just storage all the way to the max. And this is all foam. It's foam. There's foam all the way across, like on the wall. It's pretty much like a double wall.
Yeah, I stand up
double
here.
walled.
If I'm sight fishing, I'll stand on here.
How's this working out? Good?
Good.
Is the batteries on? Just gonna turn the batteries on. Let's see how they held up. Who probably? Oh, I mean, the boat's not. That's fine though. Like, these don't need to be completely level because it's not like the ground is going to be level that you go on, right? They're always going to be a little slightly tad. It's just like an inch off. We did cut that one maybe a little bit taller. That's fine. They reach though. They get it done. So there you go. The boat's still looking pretty good. It's still the same condition, I believe. Ben takes good care of that thing. I'll be following up with him and we'll be collaborating. Hopefully he'll come out and he'll do like the on the water demo. I'll have to test this thing to the lake before we take it up to where we're going to do the end reveal. And hopefully he'll be with me here on Lake Havasu to help me, you know, push that forward, and he'll bring his boat and we'll see what happens there. But until then, try and get you updates on that boat as well. Try and do some things. We got a lot of cool things coming up. They just have to push through this heat and push through this time, and whatever the new normal is going to be, we're just gotta wait till that happens. But until then, stay tuned.